हेलो स्टूडेंट। स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो बच्चों, आज हम देखने वाले ग्रेड 10th आईटी का चैप्टर नंबर 1, डिजिटल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, सेशन नंबर 2, दैट इज वर्किंग विद ग्राफिकल ऑब्जेक्ट। वर्किंग विद ग्राफिकल ऑब्जेक्ट में हमें दो पार्ट मिलेंगे, एक वर्किंग विद इमेजेस और सेकंड पार्ट 2 दैट इज वर्किंग विद ड्राइंग ऑब्जेक्ट। तो इसमें हमने वर्किंग विद इमेजेस का ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो अपलोड किया है। अगर आपने अभी तक वो स्टडी नहीं किया, देखा नहीं है, तो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक मिल जाएगी। आज हम देखेंगे वर्किंग विद ड्राइंग ऑब्जेक्ट। तो इसमें हम देखने वाले हैं हाउ टू इंसर्ट न्यू ड्राइंग ऑब्जेक्ट इन ओपन ऑफिस राइटर डॉक्यूमेंट, then how can we change the properties of that drawing object, how can we resize the drawing object, how can we group the drawing object, and finally we'll see arranging graphical object in open office writer. So let's start. So उसके लिए हमें चाहिए एक new blank document. So we are taking from file menu, then new option, and then this is our new text document. Okay. So first we will see how to insert the drawing object. See, if we click on insert button, then you will not get direct option for insertion of any drawing object. Let's see, we'll check. This is insert, and you will not get any option for inserting a drawing object. So what we need to do now? We have to click on view. Here toolbars, one option is there. In that, if we expand this toolbar, we will get the different option for different toolbar. So this is drawing. So we will click on drawing toolbar, and here we got drawing toolbar. So first we'll see what is this toolbar. See, we'll see the description of this toolbar first. The first icon, this is select. For what? It allows you to select a drawing object in document. This is used for selection. Then second one is line. This allows you to draw a straight line in a document. Then the next one is rectangle. It allows you to draw a rectangle shape in document. Then this is ellipse. Then this is freedom line. Freedom line is for, we can say, it is used for draw free form line. Okay. Now the next one is text, to enter a text in document. Then this is callouts. Then second one is, these are the basic shapes. If we click on this drop down arrow, you will get this number of option. Then second one is symbol shapes. These are the symbol shapes. Okay. Then next one is block arrow. This is block arrow. So these are the block arrows. The next one is flow chart. If we click here, you will get number of flow chart. Then again you will get stars. These are the different stars. Now here one option is for font work gallery. It allows you to insert a graphical text in document. Okay. And the last one is from file, means we can insert any image from file, from our document, now from our computer, sorry. Now we'll start how to insert a new object in document. See, by using the selection, and then we can select anyone from this. So we'll use first eclipse, and we need to draw this eclipse here by using a mouse pointer. Okay, we got here eclipse. Okay, so here we have inserted one drawing object. Now the next thing we will see how to change the properties of that drawing object. So again we will come here. So what are the properties? See, if I click this drawing object, so you will get this type of things here. And now if I click outside of that drawing object, you can see these things here. Okay, so this is property toolbar, we can see. So this is property toolbar. Here we can change the line style, we can change the line width, then we can change the line color, then fill color. These things we can do from this property toolbar, drawing object property toolbar. So let's start to change the properties of this drawing object. So we have selected, the basic step is selection. We have selected the drawing object. Now we'll change the, this is line style, we'll change the line style. This is continuous. Then here the different things are there, we'll use the fine dash. We can, you can see the change here. Okay, now we can change the line width. See, then we can change the color of that line. As I'm using here red, you can see the change here. Now this is fill color. There are number of options: gradient, hatching or bitmap. First we will use color, then in next object we'll use the different option, and from here we need to choose the proper color. See, we got here. Okay, we'll use it afterward. This is our first. Now we'll use from the different things, we'll use one rectangle, and for rectangle again we'll change the font style. All these things we'll do for rectangle. Now here we will use gradient. In gradient, what are the options we'll get? Let's see. These are the different gradient. Okay, so we can use any one from that. So now the next thing we'll use from basic shape, one triangle we'll use. In triangle again we'll use the this thing, and for filling the object now we'll use hatching. What are the hatching? You can see here. These are the hatching. Okay, so this is the type of filling, hatching. Now the next thing we'll use from star. Okay, again the same things we'll do. And last thing is bitmap. What is bitmap? See now. These are the options for bitmap. If I click on water, you can see this kind of things, space. Okay, so these are the things that we can do by using this drawing object toolbar. These are the different properties of this drawing object. Now we'll see how to resize the drawing object. I already did here. It was first ellipse and now it is circle. Why? Because of resizing. These are the corner point. By using this corner point, we can resize it. Okay. So the next point we'll see, we have seen inserting drawing object in document, then we have seen changing the properties, then we have seen the resizing drawing object. Now we are going to see how to group drawing object. See, one thing is there. Now I can select only one object now. I can't select all object at a time. If I want to change this field type, so if I'm trying, so I can use only one object at a time. If I want to use all these things at a time, means I want to move from this object from this place to another document at a time, so I can't select all the object the single time. No. So in that case what we can do, we can make a group of this drawing object. So for that, we need to select it first. We have selected. Now you have to click on Format tab. In Format tab, you will get one option that is Group, and in Group, one option that is Group, sub option that is Group. Okay, now you can see at a single click, all four objects are selected, and now you can see. Got it? So this is all about the groupism. Now first we will make it ungroup by using again format, group and ungroup. Okay, so now we can use a single object individually. Now the last part is arranging graphical object. Actually, OpenOffice Writer allows you to change the order of object in stacking order and rearrange them as required. You can bring forward the object at the bottom to top position and vice versa. In OpenOffice Writer, there are four types of way, we can say four options for arranging the object: bring to front, bring forward, or forward one, then send to back, send backward, back one. These are the things we will see one by one. First we will make it as a stack. तो सबसे लास्ट हम रखेंगे ये रेक्टेंगल, उसके बाद हम रखेंगे एक सर्कल, उसके ऊपर हम रखेंगे ये स्टार, और स्टार के ऊपर हम रखेंगे अपना ये ट्रायंगल. तो अभी आप देख रहे हो दिस इज लाइक वन स्टैक. स्टैक के सबसे ऊपर है एक रेक्टेंगल, उसके बाद है एक स्टार, उसके बाद इक्लिप्स और सर्कल वी कैन से नाउ, एंड एट द लास्ट में बॉटम ऑफ द स्टैक है एक रेक्टेंगल. नाउ वी कैन चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस स्टैक. First we will see one first option that is bring to front. Bring to front option allows you to arrange the object at top in the stack. Now the default top of the stack is triangle. If I want to make this circle as a top of the stack, then मुझे इस स्टैक में सबसे ऊपर ये सर्कल चाहिए, इक्लिप्स चाहिए. देन I'll select that object. Now I have selected this circle. Now these are the object. You will get all these things in format, then arrange. The first option that is bring to front. If I click on this bring to front, you can see फ्रंट में ये ऑप्शन आ गया, ये ऑब्जेक्ट आ गया और बाकी सारे ऑब्जेक्ट उसके पीछे चले गए. हम इसे रिसाइज करके देख सकते हैं. ये सबसे ऊपर है, उसके बाद ट्रायंगल है, उसके बाद उसके बाद एक स्टार है, उसके बाद रेक्टेंगल है. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट इज ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड और फॉरवर्ड वन. ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड फिर फॉरवर्ड वन का मतलब क्या है कि it allows you to send the selected object one place only, forward top only one place in our stack. Means अगर हम bring forward या forward one इस स्टार को अप्लाई करते हैं तो ये स्टार सिर्फ इस ट्रायंगल के आगे आएगा, ये सबसे ऊपर नहीं आएगा, ये सिर्फ एक स्टेप आगे जाएगा, ये टॉप नहीं बनेगा, ये सिर्फ ट्रायंगल के आगे आएगा. How we'll see. So we have selected the star. Now again we can use this thing also. Okay. but we'll follow the proper procedure. Format, then arrange. In arrange, you will get option that is bring forward or forward one. You can see स्टार आगे आया और ट्रायंगल उसके पीछे गया. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज सेंड टू बैक. इससे क्या होगा? सेंड टू बैक से अरेंज द ऑब्जेक्ट एट द बॉटम ऑफ द स्टैक. अभी आप देख सकते हो कि इसका बॉटम एक रेक्टेंगल है. ओके, अगर मुझे स्टैक का बॉटम इस सर्कल को बनाना है, हम पहले तो इस सर्कल को बड़ा कर देंगे ताकि हमें वो दिखे. ओके, अभी ये टॉप है. टॉप में सबसे ऊपर कौन है? एक सर्कल है. बट इस सर्कल को मुझे सबसे नीचे लेके जाना है. तो जस्ट सिलेक्ट दैट सर्कल, देन फॉर्मेट, देन अरेंज, देन सेंड टू बैक. यू कैन सी इस टैग के बॉटम में अभी सर्कल है, मीन्स सेंड टू बैक. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज सेंड बैकवर्ड और बैक वन. अब इस स्टार को मुझे एक ही स्टेप पीछे डालना है. मतलब ये ट्रायंगल आगे आएगा और ये स्टार पीछे जाएगा. देन हाउ? अगेन द सेम थिंग. क्लिक हियर, फॉर्मेट, अरेंज एंड back one. You can see. So this is all about arranging the things, arranging graphical object. So here we have completed all the 5 points of working with drawing object. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा ये कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, लाइक और शेयर करें. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.